Okay, so we're going to be beginning our next unit in Chapter 6 regarding expressions. Lesson 1 is just going over powers and exponents. So our objective is going to be representing numbers using exponents. So for our example problem, we have 10 times 10 equals 10 to the second power. Now in any multiplication problem, we have the factor, and then usually it's the product. So in this case, our product is 10, but is also called the base. And then we say that it's 10 to the second power, which is actually the exponent, the smaller number. So the base is the factor that we're going to be using, and the exponent 2 is the amount of times we're going to be using the factor. So let's get started. So here's our example for 10 to the second power. Using the same example from the previous page, we still have the example of 10 to the second power. Now remember that the 2 is an exponent, so it tells how many times a base is used as a factor. 10, which is our base, is the number used as a factor. To give you some background knowledge of what the base term is referring to, in an object like a triangle, the bottom of the object would be considered the base. The same as with the home. The bottom would be considered the base, which is actually a base word for basement, the bottom. So numbers expressed using exponents are called powers. So 10 to the second power, written in expanded written form, would be 10 to the second power. So you have a problem. It's 8 times 8 times 8. So the base is 8. And the exponent is 3 because there are 3 8s in your problem. The next example is 9 times 9. So 9 is the base and 2 is the exponent. You could use it either way. You could say that 8 to the third power equals 8 times 8 times 8, as well as 9 to the second power is equal to 9 times 9. With even using it as the letter K, even if there is no number there, K to the fourth power would equal K times K times K times K. Here's some practice problems. Make sure to take notes so you can refer back to them. Write each product using an exponent. So for example, write 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. The factor 6 is the base. The factor is multiplied 4 times. The exponent is 4. So it can be written as 6 to the fourth power. Let's try another one. 4 times 4 times 4. The factor 4 is the base number. The factor is multiplied 3 times, so therefore the exponent is 3. So you can say that 4 times 4 times 4 can be written as 4 to the third power. The second set of practice problem is to write each power as a product of the same factor, then find the value. The factor 6 is multiplied 2 times. The exponent is 2, so 6 times 6, the value is 36. The same with 2, which is your factor, is then multiplied 5 times. You then will have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and times 2. If you have 2 times 5 is 10, that's incorrect. What you have to do is you would multiply each by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. Then 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. And 16 times 2 is equal to 32. All right, students, so make sure you have taken notes for this lesson. There's a short answer response on Seesaw. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions.